It's very important that if you attend an auction to really inspect the auctioneers that you're working with, understand that they are reputable people and that they're transparent and being open and honest with what's going on with the property, number one, and number two, in understanding that they are accredited with the governing bodies and the relevant bodies. There's the Auctioneers Association, which is a voluntary organisation, but when I'm selling property, I'm obviously registered with the Estate Agents Affairs, and obviously all my accounts and all of my dealings are audited by them. So it's very important, if you're going out there and you're attending auctions, please check that the auctioneer has been in the business and really understands it. There are a lot of fly-by-night auctioneers which do cause major harm to the industry. We are, as SIRE, the governing body, looking to try and prevent those people from operating in the industry, but at the moment there is no government legislation. Government is working on it, and the Consumer Protections Act is an important act for us. It does protect us auctioneers that basically are operating within the realm of what is required, but there are still many that are operating outside that realm. So please, to protect yourself, make sure that you're working with an auctioneer that has a good reputation.